Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EnglishAbhiyadav. If you want to learn English in a simple and real way, you are in the right place. Today is day 14, and today's idioms are again fresh, daily eyes, and very practical. Listen, imagine, and feel the examples. Let's begin. Idiom 1. Make time. Explain. To create time for something important. Examples. He made time for exercise. She made time to study daily. Idiom 2. Off your game. Explain. Not performing as usual. Examples. He was off his game in the meeting. She was off her game during practice. Idiom 3. Wise up. Explain. To become smart or aware. Examples. He finally wised up about money. She wised up and started saving. Idiom 4. Light work. Explain. Something easy to do. Examples. For him, math was light work. She made light work of the project. Idiom 5. Get the message. Explain. To understand what someone means indirectly. Examples. He got the message and stopped talking. She got the message and moved on. Idiom 6. Call it a day. Explain. To stop working for the day. Examples. They worked hard and called it a day. She finished early and called it a day. Idiom 7. Bite the bullet. Explain. To face something difficult with courage. Examples. He bit the bullet and apologized. She bit the bullet and told the truth. Idiom 8. Go the extra mile. Explain. To put in more effort than expected. Examples. She went the extra mile for her team. He went the extra mile in training. Idiom 9. Small victories. Explain. Small achievements that matter. Examples. Waking up early was a small victory for him. Finishing homework was a small victory. Idiom 10. In a good place. Explain. Feeling stable and happy. Examples. She was finally in a good place mentally. Idiom 11. On your feet. Explain. To recover or get active again. Examples. He was sick but back on his feet soon. Idiom 12. Take ownership. Explain. To accept responsibility. Examples. He took ownership and improved. Idiom 13. Rise above. Explain. To stay strong beyond problems. Examples. She rose above criticism. He rose above failure. Idiom 14. Dream big. Explain. To aim high in life. Examples. She dreamed big without fear. Idiom 15. Stay the course. Explain. To continue even when things are hard. Examples. He stayed the course during training. If you enjoyed today's idioms, don't just remember them. Use them in your real life. Because English becomes easy when you speak without fear and practice without excuses. And one more thing, never forget to dream big and stay the course. Because small steps create big results. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to EnglishAbhiyadav. And if you already subscribed, please like and comment. Your support gives me motivation to make the next video for you. And when you interact with the video, YouTube also recommends it to more learners. So together, we all grow. Learn daily, practice daily, speak naturally, and keep improving. See you tomorrow.